The Verse tab in the Analysis window provides you with a quick way to access study Bible notes or a New Testament textual apparatus. To use the Verse tab, click on the Verse tab in the Analysis window. The Verse tab will display the Net Bible notes for the verse in the Browse window. The Verse tab will update as you scroll through the verses in the Browse window. When you are using the Net Bible in the Verse tab, you can click on the Net Menu button to display additional articles from the Net Bible. The Expand button will also allow you to open the Net Bible in a floating window. The Verse tab also allows you to work with a New Testament textual apparatus. For example, you can choose the Tischendorf apparatus or the CNTTS apparatus. Again, when you navigate to a New Testament verse in the Browse window, the Verse tab will refresh to display the textual variants and manuscript information for that verse.